Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is simplify 47.28 plus 11.72 minus 86.32 minus 48.33 minus 31.8 plus 5.67 plus 26.25 plus 81.53. Now, here 47.28 plus 11.72, 86.32, 48.33, 31.8, 5.67, 26.25, 81.53. Now here, firstly, add these two, 47.28 plus 11.27 minus, if we take minus sign common, 86.32 plus 48.33 plus 31.8. Now add this remaining 3, 5.67, 26.25, 81.53. Okay. Now add here first two, that is 47.28 plus 11.27. 8 plus 7 is 15. 1 carry over. 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5. 7 plus 1 is 8. 4 plus 1 is 5. Then 86.32. Here 11 point. Here we have 11.72 is there, not 27. Okay. So 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 carry over. 7 plus 3 is 10. Again 1 carry over. 7 plus 2 is 9. And 4 plus 1 is 5. So it is 59. Okay. Then 86.32 plus 48.33 plus 31.8. 3 plus 2 is 5. 8 plus 6 is 14. 1 carry over. 8 plus 1 means 10 plus 6 is 16. 1 carry over. 8 plus 1 is 9 plus 7 is 16. So it is 166.45. Then add this 5.67 plus 26.25 plus 81.53. Now here 7 plus 5 plus 3 is 15. 1 carry over. Then 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 5 is 14. 1 carry over. Then 6 plus 6 plus 1 is 13. 1 carry over. 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11. So 59 minus 166.45 plus 113.45 equals to, add these two values, 113.45 plus 59, 5, 4, 9 plus 3 is 12, 5 plus 2 is 7, and it is 1. So it is 172.45 minus 166.45. Do that subtraction here. 172.45 minus 166.45. 0, 0, 12 minus 6 is 6. We borrowed from here. 6 minus 6 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So it is 6. 6.00 means 6. Hence, $47.28 plus 11.72 minus 86.32 minus 48.33 minus 31.8 plus 5.67 plus 26.25 plus 81.53 equals to 6.